How's it going, everyone? Finance 101 here, back with another video already. Today, talking about how much money you will make on YouTube from 100,000 views. My last video was about 50,000, this one's about 100,000. Then the video after this is going to be a bit different. I might be talking about how you actually make money and how it all works. But in this video, we're going to be looking through my second channel's statistics, videos with 100,000 views. I've got quite a few of them. And we're going to see just how much money you make from a video with 100,000 views. Some with one ad, some with multiple ads, some over 10 minutes, and such and such. Just quickly before we get into it, guys, these are the videos that we'll be looking at between 100 and 130,000 views. There's quite a few to pick from, as you can see. But make sure to subscribe, because in the future we will be having a look at these videos here that have 200,000 views, 300 even, 400, 500,000, and then up to 1 million. 2 and 4 nearly million views. So if you have a look at how much you make from 100,000 in today's video, just imagine the money that was made on these videos. Not bragging or anything, but it's quite an interesting topic to talk on. So make sure you subscribe, because in the future I'll be showing statistics from these lots. So we're just going to jump straight into it and have a look at how much money you make from 100,000 views. Okay, so we've got quite a lot to choose from. Let's first have a look at a video with 107,000 views, which is only 4 minutes long. Still got 100,000 views, but it's not a very long video, so let's have a look. Here we are. So this is a very short tutorial video on how to unlock a certain race, and it's only 4 minutes long, and the average watch time is only 2 minutes, which is very short, but I get straight to the point and show people straight away how you unlock it. But regardless, for 107,000 views with only 2 minutes watch time, I got $161. That's nearly $1.50 CPM, which is pretty good for a video that's so short like this one. People say that watch time makes a massive difference on how much money you make and the length of the video, which is true to an extent, but this video is only 4 minutes long. I've not got a very impressive CPM on my channel, it's just average for gaming. But yet for 107,000 views, I still got between $100 and $200, closer to $200, which is really good for 100,000 views. So let's go jump at another one, shall we? The next one has a bit over 100,000 views, but it's closer to 10 minutes long, this one here. Let's have a look at this one, shall we? Here we are, here's another one. This video has 122,000 views, so it's a little bit more views, but it's still around 100, and it's 9 minutes long, which also means that it still only has one ad. And for 122,000 views, I got given $233, which is basically a $2 CPM, which is really good. I'm quite happy with that, especially when it's only got one ad on it. Average watch time is still only 3 and a bit minutes, which is about 40% of the video, so not too bad. So if we pretend this video only had 100,000 views, I would say that the revenue would probably be about $200 or $190, so still about a $1 CPM per 100,000 views for this video, with only one ad. So far, the average for these two videos per 100,000 views for one ad less than 10 minutes long is about $150 to $200, so pretty impressive compared to just 50,000 views where we only got about $60. Here we go, here is another one. This video is over 10 minutes long, it's 13.5 minutes long, so there is a possibility of there being multiple ads on this video. And if we have a look, for 128,000 views, we got given nearly $300, which is like a $2.50 CPM, maybe even a $3 CPM for a video with 100,000 views, over 10 minutes long. I don't remember if I put mid-roll ads on this, I can't be bothered to check. But the chances are for a CPM this high, there is maybe 1 or 2 extra ads, probably only 1 extra ad on this video. But this is a massive jump. This is nearly double the amount we got for the first video, which was only 4 minutes long, which also had about 100,000 views. We only got about $160 for that. This is nearly double. This is the difference that having a video over 10 minutes with multiple ads make. So this is the third one we've looked at now, 128,000 views, over 10 minutes long, $297, a massive amount of money. Let's have a look at one more, which is about 150,000 views, I think, so it's like a lot more than 100,000, but let's have a look at it anyway. Here we go, this is another absolutely crazy one in my opinion. This has 150,000 views, It's over 10 minutes long again, so probably has a mid-roll ad or two in there. It is absolutely pouring it down outside. Jesus Christ. It's probably got a mid-roll ad or two. Even with an average watch time of only 4 minutes, we have still got given $440. That is pretty much a $3 CPM. So if this video had 100,000 views, we would have gotten $300. So that's a $3 CPM for a video over 10 minutes, possibly a multiple ad or two. Again, I don't remember. I don't usually do it. Sometimes it's automatic. Only a 4-minute average watch time. For 150,000 views, we got given $439. That's a lot of money for 150,000 views. I'll tell you that for free. So I'm not going to go into detail looking at any more, but if we just go back to this screen, you can see these are the videos that we've been looking at with about 120 to 150,000 views. In the future, obviously, we'll be doing videos about, hang on, let me go to the next page. We'll be doing videos, have a look at these, 250,000 views, 300,000 views, 400, 500,000 views, 700, and then in the millions of views. So make sure you do subscribe to the channel to see in the future how much money was made from these videos, which I would class as semi-viral. If you've ever wondered what viral videos make money-wise, here you are. You'll see with me in the future. I am just going to tease you a bit and show you the screen for this video, which has got nearly 2 million views, 10 million minutes watch time, but I'm going to blur out everything else. I'm going to have to make you wait to see what's behind the black boxes. But anyway, guys, please let me know what you thought of this in the comment section below. If you thought this is more money you'd make for 100,000 views, or it's a bit less than you thought, please do let me know. Next up, we're going to do a little bit different type of video of how you can just make money yourself. And I will say, as soon as this channel becomes monetizable, to gain money, I'm going to do a live video. I'm going to record myself monetizing the channel and going through the steps so you can all see exactly how it works. But anyway, guys, please leave a like if you've enjoyed, subscribe if you haven't already for more Finance 101 videos, and I'll see you all later.